Did you know that 80% of adults will experience back pain at some point in their lives? And here's the scary part. Many of the exercises we do to fix our posture and strengthen our bodies might actually be making things worse. Over time, poor movement patterns can lead to chronic pain, stiffness, and even serious injuries. But what if there was a smarter, science-backed way to strengthen your core, improve your posture, and move pain-free without the risk? Meet STOTT Pilates, a revolutionary upgrade to traditional Pilates that's transforming the way people train. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover how STOTT Pilates can reshape your body, prevent injuries, and help you move better than ever. But first, what exactly is STOTT Pilates, and why is it different from what you've seen before? STOTT Pilates is not just another fitness trend. It's a modernized version of Pilates, developed with the latest sports science and physiotherapy principles. Unlike traditional Pilates, which follows rigid movements, STOTT Pilates is designed to align with natural spine curves, promoting optimal posture and reducing strain on your joints. In simple terms, it helps your body move the way it was meant to, without unnecessary stress or discomfort. Studies show that STOTT Pilates improves flexibility by up to 30% more than conventional stretching routines. The biggest difference? STOTT Pilates emphasizes 5 key principles. 1. Breathing, enhancing oxygen flow and reducing tension. 2. Pelvic placement, strengthening deep core muscles for stability. 3. Rib cage alignment, preventing excess tension in the upper body. 4. Shoulder stability, reducing strain on the neck and back. 5. Head and neck placement, supporting natural spinal alignment. By focusing on these, STOTT Pilates not only strengthens your core, but also corrects posture, increases flexibility, and improves overall mobility. Think about it. How often do you sit hunched over your phone or desk? Over time, this weakens your core, strains your back, and leads to muscle imbalances. But STOTT Pilates works like a reset button for your body, training your muscles to function properly again. It's used by athletes, dancers, and even rehabilitation patients for pain relief, injury prevention, and total body conditioning. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership to get started. Here are 3 simple STOTT Pilates exercises you can try right now to improve your posture and strengthen your core. 1. The pelvic curl. Strengthens lower back and core. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift your hips while engaging your core, then lower down with control. 2. The chest lift. Engages deep core muscles without neck strain. Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Lift your chest using your core, not your neck. 3. The side leg lift. Improves hip stability and balance. Lie on your side, engage your core, and lift your top leg slowly while keeping hips stable. Consistent STOTT Pilates training can improve core strength by 50% in just 6 weeks. So are you ready to strengthen your body, improve flexibility, and finally fix your posture? STOTT Pilates is your answer. Try these exercises daily and feel the difference. And if you want more expert back fitness tips, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Comment below. What's your biggest struggle with fitness? Let's talk. Move better, feel better, live better, one workout at a time.